Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll show you how to roll out new portal features and UI designs with ease in Desk Director. Start by logging into your admin console. Navigate to Portal, then Feature Preview. Here, you can control feature rollouts. You can choose up to 5 companies to test new features. Click the drop-down under the feature description, then click Add Companies. Search and select the companies you wish to include. Test changes by impersonating a contact in one of the selected companies. This allows you to see the new features in action. To release a feature to all companies, select All Companies in the drop-down under the feature description. Some features have planned release dates. Once the date arrives, the feature will be available to all users automatically. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. You've mastered the art of rolling out new features in Desk Director. Thanks for watching.